Viewers, the Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, not new to controversies, has now crossed a line yet again. And this time, it's his remarks on the ongoing Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project. Now, a big controversy has been sparked off. Remember, the Chief Minister, the elected representative and the head of the state, has made a statement that has sparked off a big controversy, crossing the line of all decency. Now, when a journalist asked the Chief Minister how farmers would cope if drought-like conditions persisted and irrigation water remained unavailable for the crops, responding to the question, the Chief Minister of the state, Revanth Reddy, went on to say and hit out at the opposition BRS leadership, saying, and I quote, "Ask the BRS leaders, KTR and Harish Rao, to go there and jump into water, tying a stone to themselves. And this will unloosen or undo the bad luck they have committed sins. And if you cut them and spill their blood on the farms, farmers will be able to cultivate their crops, spill their blood on the crops." That's a statement from the Chief Minister of the state, who has also previously on multiple occasions crossed the line, at one point even talking about skinning people alive for criticizing the government. Listen in to his latest controversy.
ఏమున్నది వీళ్ళని కోసి రక్తం జల్లితే పంటల మీద అదే పండుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే వీళ్ళ బలుపు కొవ్వు పంటలకు సరిపోద్ది. కరువు వచ్చింది, అందుకే ఆరుతడి పంటలు వేయండి అని చెప్పి 6 నెలల నుంచి మొత్తుకుంటున్నాం. దానికి తప్పులు పట్టిరు. నీళ్లకు ఆధారపడి నీళ్లను అధికంగా వాడే పంటల్ని వేయకండి అని ఎన్ని రోజుల నుంచి చెప్తున్నాం మేము. మీరు లేరా? ముందు నుంచి మేము రైతులకు సూచన చేస్తూనే ఉన్నాము. ఇప్పుడు కూడా మా సూచన ఒకటే, ఆరుతడి పంటలు వరి ఎక్కువ వేసుకుంటే నీళ్ళు ఎక్కువ అవసరం.
Can you believe that this is the Chief Minister of a state making these statements about the political opponents, going on to say that they can spill their blood? Now, a response has come in from KTR, who has taken to social media, escalating the battle. KTR has responded and said, "Will you give tears if we ask for water? Bloodthirsty demon. Hasn't your thirst for blood been quenched yet? Didn't you drink the blood of Telangana for 60 years by tormenting it? How much more blood does the Congress party need?" And then he has gone on to call the Congress party a party of jackals who have gone addicted to the taste of Telangana's blood, calling them murderers. He says, "You are the murderers who burned Telangana's children and youth alive and buried them in the name of encounters. You are the demons who shot and killed 7 youths in 1952 and smeared their blood in your eyes. You are the bloodthirsty killers who rained bullets on 369 innocent children in 1969 and spilled their blood." This is the response of KTR. In fact, the Congress leaders in Telangana have also rallied behind the Telangana Chief Minister. Remember, the very same party that speaks about Mohabbat Ki Dukaan, the Congress party, has backed the Telangana Chief Minister for these statements, going on to say that every other day, KTR and Harish Rao also come to the press and divert the people's attention by talking irrelevant issues, and that's the reason why the Chief Minister made this statement.
Every alternate day, they come into the press and divert the people's attention, talking irrelevantly. They have constructed the Kaleshwaram without any proper guidelines given by the engineers. BRS party wants us to do something in an urgency so that we get in faults. And Revanth Reddy Garu, who is the Chief Minister of Telangana, knows about what is farmers' problems.
So can you believe this is a statement from the Telangana Chief Minister? My colleague Shomit is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Shomit, this is definitely not the first time that the Chief Minister is making this statement. We've heard him make these statements time and again. This time he seems to be crossing the line. He's talking about political opponents, but he says, spill their blood. Take us through why he said this, and has there been any reaction from the Chief Minister after this entire outrage?
Well, Pratibha, day before yesterday, KTR has organized a press conference and basically was showing a letter written by the retired engineer stating that, still the government can lift the water from the Kannepalli pump house where Godavari river is flowing above 97 meters. So immediately after KTR has organized a press conference, Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has also organized a press conference and has come down heavily on KTR and KCR and Harish Rao. stating that lifting water from the Kannepalli farmhouse without storing the water at the Medigadda barrage is not possible, and he has went on to attack the retired engineers Harish Rao, KCR and KTR, and even he said
Mentioned
that
KTR, KCR, isn't it? Just a moment, Shomit, my apologies. I'll come to you in just a moment. We have Mr. Nalin Kohli of the BJP also on the broadcast with us. Mr. Nalin Kohli, for a party that speaks about Mohabbat ki Dukaan, the Telangana Chief Minister has spoken about the opposition and said, cut them and spill their blood on the farms.
First of all, it's a highly condemnable statement. He's the Chief Minister of the state. He's taken the oath of Constitution. Under the Constitution, everyone's an equal citizen. Just because he doesn't agree with somebody, can you ask for their blood? And suppose some follower of his takes this to be a message and for whatever confused reasons or otherwise decides to break law and order, would he be then not responsible for such an act happening against a fellow colleague in the political sphere? So he would have to reflect on this. He must, I think, withdraw that statement, consider apologizing for that, and let it be. But the larger question is, if Rahul Gandhi ji speaks of Mohabbat ki Dukaan and Mr. Revant Reddy speaks of blood to be spilled, the question is he holding Mr. Rahul Gandhi in contempt and saying that I don't care about Mr. Rahul Gandhi's so-called theories on Mohabbat ki Dukaan, or vice versa, that Mr. Rahul Gandhi doesn't mean anything with his Mohabbat ki Dukaan beyond a slogan, and this is the real face of the Congress party that he supports.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us on the broadcast, Mr. Nalin Kohli. Is that what Rahul Gandhi stands for? And is he going to condemn these statements? Like we mentioned, not the first time. Previously as well, he had also spoken about journalists and said that they will be stripped and paraded in the state if they continue to ask certain questions. Let me go back to Shomit on that. And Shomit, go on. My apologies. The BJP also responding to this and also slamming the Congress party for this. But again, like we mentioned, not the first time. We've seen multiple such controversies coming in from the Chief Minister.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. Like I was mentioning, he went on to attack the former Chief Minister, working president of the BRS, and the former irrigation minister, Harish Rao, and said that, they need belt treatment and they should be sent to the prison. And the mistake I did was not sending them to the prison. And at the same time, when a journalist questioned them how, what farmers has to do to get the water, then Chief Minister sarcastically stated that, we should cut them and spill their blood. And immediately after that, KTR has responded to it, and Harish Rao has responded to it and said that, when we are demanding for water, you are demanding for our blood, and we are ready for that to give it. Even, even blood donation camp has been organized, after these comments have come in. And when it comes to the Congress leaders, they are saying that Kaleshwaram has been built and thousands of crores, actually 1 lakh crores have been washed away in the Godavari. And now, they are trying to defend this project and trying to say that water can be lifted from the Kannepalli pump house, and when it is not possible, that because Medipalli barrage is has already sunk, so the piers are already sunk and the damage is being assessed, and NDSC is looking into this matter, is what Congress leaders are saying. But when it comes to the even BJP, we have just heard to the Nalin Kohli and also even other leaders, they have condemned the statements of Chief Minister, and Chief Minister is yet to respond to the Harish Rao and KTR after his press conference has been held day before yesterday. So yesterday Harish Rao and today KTR has responded on this matter, and very short while from now even other Congress leaders have responded, but Chief Minister is yet to respond, Pratibha.
Okay, all right. The Chief Minister has made such statements previously and gotten away with it. This time, will there be an apology? Because there is a very strong response that has come in from the BRS. Shomit, thank you for joining us with those details. We come back to you for those.